Hari Om. So why you should practice yoga daily? See, there are a lot of theories why you should have a physical exercise daily at least 40 to 45 minutes or 1 hour or so. So why these theories exist? As we all know that any kind of physical exercise can reduce your sleep disorders, your hypertension, your anxiety disorders, your blood pressure issues, your other bodily problems and illnesses, right? So why yoga? Why not gym? Why not any other physical exercise? There are a lot of physical exercise, there are a lot of ways, right? Why yoga only? See, the very common excuse for this that none of the other physical exercise touches your soul. None of the other exercises touches your mind. Yoga has been proven to have those ability to touch your body, mind and soul. Right? How? You'll ask how. So, yoga, when we practice yoga, we give you time to think, time to feel, time to get mindful, time to feel what you have done for your body, to feel which muscles have came in contact with that nature, to feel what muscles and what ligaments and what tendons you have used while exercising. You see, those are the moments when your mind gets activated, right? And we believe on chakras healing, right? We believe on some points, the nadis, right? The subtle system. That's how we touch the soul of a person. Yoga has been described 5,000 years ago to the gate of moksha, moksha ka dwar. When Lord Shiva told it to Parvati, it was the way to moksha. It was the way to match our spirit to the upper spirit. I will not discuss about the bodily improvements that comes after yoga, the physical exercise. When you practice yoga, there are a lot of physical improvements. Your tummy goes in, your thyroid issues, your thymus issues, your diabetes issues, your headache issues, your whatever. There are a lot of problems that can be cured through yoga. I will not talk about that. Rather, I will talk about the subconscious changes that happen after doing yoga, right? Your reflex arc. Have you ever wondered that your reflex arc is slow? How to improve it? Do you find any way to improve your reflex arc? Is there any way to improve your reflex arc? I guess no, right? But yoga can improve your reflex arc, can fasten it, right? If your hand get burns, right, you'll quickly save yourself, right? But this has a quality. Yoga can improve the quality of your reflex arc. How fast you can respond to a stimuli. How fast? 0.1 second or 0.2 second. 0.2 second can make a difference, can burn you, can sting you, can hurt you, can be hazardous. Reflex arc is a very special design made by God in human bodies, right? Reflex arc should be fast. Second, emotion control. You'll never get to know when you got better at controlling your emotions, right? You'll never get to know. Emotion control is something that is not in your hands, right? Emotion control gets better. You get balanced when you practice yoga daily, when you practice pranayam, when you practice dhyan daily. Your emotion control gets better. You'll get disciplined. You'll get disciplined in your life. Lastly, you'll learn to stay happy. So practice yoga, because yoga is the key, is the key to a better life. Yoga is the key to the better life. The whole world is going after yoga. You have to start it. Not tomorrow, not today, but now. The only good time is start now. If you know how to do it, do it. If you don't know how to do it, call a professional.